Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this session we are going to see how can we set up Eclipse IDE in Windows OS, how can we download Eclipse, how can we install it, and how can we add plugins to the Eclipse. So let's get started. So what is Eclipse? Eclipse is basically an IDE. IDE is nothing but integrated development environment. You can use it for Java programming language. It is a very good support. But yeah, now I have completely switched from Eclipse to IntelliJ. If you have not, I recommend you please check IntelliJ as well. It's a very powerful IDE. Okay, but if you are still working with the Eclipse IDE, you can refer this video then. So how can we download Eclipse? So open any of the browser, go to a new tab, just type download Eclipse. Okay, so go to the first link. See, this link is from basically eclipse.org. Click on it. Now to get this, maybe you can go to the downloads packages. Just a second, packages and installer. Okay, now we are supposed to do the setup for the Eclipse in the Windows, right? So it is an option under the download. Go for the Windows, click on this link, download, and this should start the download for the Eclipse IDE. Yeah, it is downloading. It's around 120 MB. It is also an exe file. Okay, so once the file is downloaded, you can just do the double click on it, and same the installation wizard will come, and we have to click on some of the next stuff, and this will be installed. Till the time this is downloading, let me just pause this video. This has been downloaded. Click on the arrow, click on the show in folder. It's taking so long, just a second. Okay, so we have already downloaded it. Okay, now how can we install it? We have downloaded this exe file, right? So we just have to open it. Let me just navigate to there. I don't know why is it taking so long. So yeah, this is the file. Just to double click on it. Yeah, now the installer is opening. It is going to give us the option like, yeah, which version of Eclipse do you want to go with? Like, we are supposed to work with the Java programming language, right? So now we have to pick this Eclipse IDE for Java developers because we are going to work with Java programming language. Now just do a click on this. Okay, so here it is asking you for the Java version and installation folder. If you want to change, you can change. Click on the install button. It's going to start the installation process basically, okay, for this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So we are almost done with the step. Yeah, for the first step, yeah, we downloaded this file.exe file. The file was downloaded. After that, we opened the file by doing a double click operation on it. The setup wizard was come, and then we selected this Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and we clicked on the install button. Now the installation is in progress. Once the installation has been completed for the Eclipse, so we can launch the Eclipse IDE, and then we can go for the plugins edition basically. I think I have a slide for that also. Yes. You see in the screenshot, we can see like, yeah, once the Eclipse IDE is launched, so on the top we have an option of help. So if you click on the help, then we have to go to the Eclipse marketplace. Now by after help to Eclipse marketplace, then we have to search for a plugin. Now suppose if you want to work with TestNG, okay, so what you can do, you can actually search for the TestNG and just press enter key. So Eclipse marketplace basically is going to show you the list of the TestNG plugins available with Eclipse that can be added to the Eclipse IDE. It's taking some time. Maybe I have listed out some of the plugins as well. Yes. So now I am completely switched to the like IntelliJ IDE, but before that I was working with Eclipse IDE. So these were the mostly used plugins I was working with, like SonarLink, TestNG, Cucumber Eclipse plugin, and JSON Editor plugin. Okay. Installation is taking some time. Second. Yeah, we got the launch button now. If you click on the launch button, so Eclipse IDE will be launched basically. Sorry for that. Now, the pop-up itself is saying like select a directory as workspace. Okay, so for the workspace, if you want to select, this is the default location which Eclipse has given to you. But if you want your workspace to be located at some different place, you can select a different place by click on the browse and just navigate to the directory, create a folder, and you can do. But yeah, I'm going with this and just clicking on the launch button. It should open the Eclipse IDE for me, and then we'll follow the same steps only. Yeah. Okay. So first, go to the help, go to the Eclipse marketplace.